Hey guys, it's Jack, and today, I don't know if you can hear them, but the cicadas are out. There's some dog crap. For some reason it's here, but I'm going to show you some cicadas. So, I'll see you when I catch one. There's two. I don't like these kind because they're missing their body. So I don't take them. But this one will work. It's not the cicadas. They're everywhere. So I have enough cicadas for now. I'm gonna go to my garage and put them in. I'll show you the ones I caught earlier, okay? Garage, as you can see. I'm gonna put these in. Put these guys. Since I go fishing, I keep my worms in here. But since it's cool, I put the other cicadas I caught. See, this is how many cicadas I caught earlier. It's a lot. I will now put 7 cicadas I have in here. Empty, and they're in there. Put my lid back on. Enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.